everyone, this is Innichka chef and welcome to my kitchen. Today, as I promised, we are making blueberry ice cream. Very simple, easy and simple ingredients. I have many recipes on my website already. Blackberries, I have vanilla and different kinds of ice cream, caramel, all kinds. I will link below, but today is blueberry. Look how beautiful, gorgeous blueberry. And the secret actually is fermented cream called cream fresh, and I will link below everything what you need to know about cream fresh. If you cannot make, buy it. It's very good quality. It's good, it's probiotic and gives a beautiful richness. It's delicious. I convinced you to make it. Let's do it. As you see, it's not completely thick yet, so it's not ready, but we will stick in the freezer because kids cannot wait any longer, and we'll try what I already pre-made. Delicious ice cream, yummy, and I will link below, and I hope you enjoy, and I hope I encourage you to make this ice cream. Hello everyone, this is Ina with Innichka chef and welcome to my kitchen. Today on episode we are making blueberry scones. I have so many recipes with blueberry, we love it. Every year we're going to pick up blueberries with my children, and look how beautiful and gorgeous wild organic blueberries we picked this year, and they're so delicious and sweet, and we are making fluffy, the tastiest traditional scones. They're so good, they'll melt in your mouth. And for the ingredients we need all-purpose organic unbleached flour as always, good quality butter, and I have to mention cold. I keep in freezer for half hour before making this recipe. Also vanilla would be nice, some lemon and blueberry goes beautiful together, some plain yogurt. I'm using kefir, use buttermilk, use whole milk, use cream, whatever you have on hand, use it. Some eggs, little bit of salt, baking powder just to lift up, not soda powder, and salt, and that's about it. And blueberries, very simple, easy and quick recipe. Now place it in the freezer for half hour at least. And the last moment is to try. Look at that. I hope you enjoy this video, this delicious blueberry scones, and I encourage you to make from scratch. They're better than any bakery.